Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. Being a student of technical field, I would prepare myself to guide you to set your tech goal in the latest technology of today. I would advise and discuss about new amazing gadgets that you must check out in this digital world. So welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Goal. Let's hit it. Hey there, today I have discussed about 5 types of new, amazing, latest and coolest home technology gadgets that are awesome, and these gadgets are very helpful for us at home. These 5 gadgets come from the house of Nest, so without further delay, let's see. Number 1. Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat automatically adapts as your life and the session change. Just use it for a week and it programs itself. When you are off to work, the Nest thermostat can check sensors and your phone's location to check if you have left, then sets itself to an eco temperature to save energy. The babysitter calls to say she picked up the kids from soccer and they are heading home. You just adjust the temperature from your phone so they will be cozy. Meet the Nest temperature sensor. Most homes are not the same temperature in every room. With the Nest temperature sensor, you can let your Nest thermostat know which room should be a certain temperature at a certain time of day. Place it on a wall of shelf and get the right temperature right where you want it. Comfort from room to room helps make sure a certain room is the exact temperature you want it to be. Temperature sensors in different rooms and choose which room to prioritize when. Place it on a wall or shelf, then forget it's even there. Pop off your old thermostat and install the new Nest. It should take about half an hour. Now turn up the temperature and get comfortable. Number 2. Nest Hello Doorbell. Nest Hello lets you know who is there, so you never miss a thing. It replaces your existing wired doorbell and delivers HD video and bright crisp images, even at night. It's designed to show you everything at your doorstep. You will head to toe or packages on the ground. And with 24/7 streaming, you can check in anytime or go back and look at a 3-hour snapshot history to see what happened. Nest Hello can tell you the difference between a person and a thing and then alert you. Even if a visitor does not ring the bell with Nest Aware, it can also let you know if it spots a stranger or someone you know. And now, Nest can even send an alert when it spots a package delivery or pickup. Say hello even when you can't. HD Tone and Listen reduces ambient noise so visitors come through loud and clear. And when you can't answer, quick responses let you reply to visitors with different pre-recorded messages. Number 3. Nest X Ellie Lock. Ellie knows secure locks. Nest knows the connected home. Together, the company made a tamper-proof, key-free deadbolt that connects to the Nest app. Now you can lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Give people you trust a passcode instead of a key. You can check your door status with your voice using the Google Assistant to always know who comes and goes. It's secure and tamper-proof. The Nest X Ali lock replaces the deadbolt you already have. If someone tries to tamper with it, you will get an alert. If the batteries start running low, you will know right away. And if your lock loses power, you can quickly charge it with a 9-volt battery to unlock the door. Lock it up. Check the status of your door and lock it from anywhere hands-free with the Google Assistant. You can also enter a passcode, use one-touch locking or lock it from the Nest app. Number 4. Nest Thermostat E. Save energy. Its simple design and few frosted display blend into the background. With proven energy-saving features, the Nest Thermostat E can help you save from day one. And you can change the temperature from anywhere, the beach, the office or your bed. Frosted display blends into the background and fits into my home. Home Away Assist turns itself down after you leave, so you don't waste energy heating or cooling an empty home. Remote control. Use the Nest app to change the temperature from anywhere, the beach, the office or your bed. Simple schedule. Start with a basic schedule, then adjust it whenever you like. Even energy saving features. Like the Nest Learning Thermostat, the Nest Thermostat E can help you save from day one. Energy history. Check the Nest app to see how much energy you use and why. Number 5. It's time to expect more from your smoke alarm. Nest Protect has been redesigned from the inside out. It has a split spectrum sensor, tests itself automatically, and lasts up to a decade. It's also the first home alarm you can hush from your phone without any extra hardware required. And it tells you what's wrong and can even alert your phone. Tells you where the danger is, and when one speaks, they all speak. So the alarm in your bed can tell you there's smoke downstairs. Things before it speaks. Nest Protect has a friendly human voice that gives you an early warning. That way you can handle burning toast before it becomes a burning toaster. App silence. Hush alarms with your phone, not your dish towel. If everything's under control and there's only a little smoke, quiet down the alarm from the Nest app. Phone alerts. Everyone in your family can know what's going on from anywhere. When something's wrong, Nest Protect sends everyone an alert in case no one's home. No chips. Tired of getting woken up at 2 a.m. by your smoke alarm? Long before it has to chip, Nest Protect tells you its batteries are running low with a message on your phone. Family accounts. Everyone in the family can have their own Nest account. More sharing a password. You can all use your phone to hush and test alarms, and you will all get alerts on your phone if something's wrong at home. Safety checkup. Test all your alarms with a tape, and once the test is done, you will get a full report. Emergency. When smoke or carbon dioxide reaches dangerous level, Nest Protect sounds the alarm, pulses red, and tells you where the emergency is. Heads up, if there's only a little smoke, like you have just burnt toast, it will glow yellow and give you a friendly heads up so you can check on things. Nightly promise. Nest Protect constantly monitors its sensor and batteries. A quick green glow when you turn out the lights say everything is working. The light. When you walk under Nest Protect at night, it will light your way. You can choose different lights levels or turn path light off entirely in the app. Links are in the description. Go there and do check out if you need it. Hey guys, if you liked it, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell to get my videos instantly whenever I upload one. Let me know in the comment on what gadget you want a video next. I will definitely make it. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe.